partner.
Welcome. This is my classroom. These are my classmates, and these are my teachers. When we first get to school, we hang up our coats and our backpacks and the other stuff. And we sign up for lunch and the choices. This is morning meeting. You have to write on the boxes and you have to write your name. And you have to write your period. And you have to count on the calendar. And you have to do your days of the week. And you have to do 10s and the 1s. This is reading group. In that reading group, we have to go and with our teachers and go and read. We have snacking time. This is our class with Mrs. Beaver, and library with Miss Hayden, and we play with Mr. Bellamy, and we dance with Mr. Bellamy, and we play with Mr. Lacey. Sometimes when we get to school, we do a work, and then later in the other we do another project, and we do them at our seats and tables. This is building our stamina. You have to read quietly, and you can sit in your seat or you can lay on your tummies. And you have to read quietly, and you have to do your best. And if you can't read the words, you can read it to yourself. This is choice time. What are you playing with, Thomas? That up there is Thomas playing with trees. This is dark. I think should show you where Thomas is playing with trees. We also have little Legos, blocks, coloring, housekeeping, and Bumblebee blocks. This is more choice time. We have smartboard, big Legos, puzzles, and math materials. This is science with Dr. Downey. And Dr. Downey is, of course, my mom. And guess what? We learned about density. And guess what? If somebody from the Board of Education, would somebody like to answer a question and guess? From the Board of Education.
Tell me the question.
But which one is more dense, hot water or cold water? Please raise your hand. One guess. Yes. Yes. I'm going to tell you why. Because hot water's molecules are farther apart, making it less dense. This is Ready Workshop. And at Ready Workshop, we have to sound the words out and then write them. And after that, we read them to ourselves, and we have to write a picture about it. This is math. You have to count the chips, and if a teacher gives you blocks or chips, you have to count them how many there is. And you have to do a sprint. You have to circle them. If you do a mistake, don't erase it, just exit out and do some more. Thank you for coming to Berry School. I hope you have a nice day.